So, beginning to think that it's not a hawk leaving dead birds on my land. There's a whole frickin' pile here now. I don't know of any hawk that leaves piles of uneaten birds in the rain on the back of an embankment that I'm arguing with the town over whose land it is. I'd say it's mine. Oh, it's being dumped on with dead chickens. First cans and trash and couch cushions and clothing and all sorts of disposable wipes and junk, and now someone's dumping their dead birds here. Yeah, this is pretty nutty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chickens. Little ones. That one's missing its head. This one's had its throat ripped out. That one's missing a wing and part of a shoulder. One more up there looks like another throat attack, so I'd say somebody's losing birds overnight to a weasel, isn't dealing with the problem, and has decided to dump the birds on my land. And I bet whoever's doing it has even more acreage than I do, where they can, properly dispose of birds that have been killed by predators. And they're choosing to take them over here and dump them on my land, so that's really fucking cool. Leave it there. There, leave it. Good girl. Oh, this is just fucked up. Who does this? Seriously, man, who does this? Like, first the town is dumping all this shit on my land and my woods, calling it a turnaround when it's many, 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 many feet off onto my land from where they can legally make a turnaround. Now that I've flipped off a neighbor and argued about it, more dead chickens are showing up on my land. At first it was just full-size roosters and hens, one at a time, two at a time, so I figured, whoever doing this, they must be a hawk, What else takes animals up in the air and carries them that far from the nearest farm? But no, it's some friggin' jerk dumping them on my land. The same jerk who's been taking my signs down up here, telling people to stay out of here and not dump anything. This is just a shit show. Living in the sticks and the rural life isn't as easy as they fucking advertise it. I'm telling you right now. Beware of dickhead neighbors and fucked up people.